Microsoft D365 is a product that provides a lot of different capabilities even outside of manufacturing. And as it relates to manufacturing, they are quickly evolving and continuing to evolve and improve capability in the manufacturing space. Now, D365 tends to be more appealing to organizations that are larger, that value flexibility, that want to have the ability to change the software to fit different situations and exceptions within the organization. And it also tends to fit organizations that have very diverse business operations. So companies that maybe do manufacturing but also do other types of businesses as well, they're going to be drawn to a D365 just because it has a little bit more breadth of capability even outside of manufacturing when compared to some of the other systems in our top 10 list, which are more focused on manufacturing. So with all that in mind, that's enough to land Microsoft D365 at number 9 on our list. Infor CloudSuite Industrial. And Infor is a product that's very strong in the manufacturing space. It historically has focused very heavily on the manufacturing space and done quite well. We've actually been involved with a lot of different Infor implementations over the years. And with the CloudSuite transition it's making as a company from on-premise to the cloud solutions, there's some growing pains that go along with that. There's some capabilities that organizations aren't getting that they may have gotten from the legacy products that were available years ago. So Infor is another company that's going through a transition, and I suspect will continue to rise in our top 10 in the coming years. Despite all of that, Infor is very strong in the manufacturing distribution space. They're not trying to be everything to everyone, and for those reasons, Infor CloudSuite lands at number 7 in our top 10 list.